Hello and welcome. Now in this first process, what we're going to do is we're going to create a product that's going to be for download and for sale. It will be free and will be digital, and we're going to place it inside of our store in Etsy. And we want to give this digital product a price tag so that it will have worth when we promise the individual that they're going to get it by giving us access to their name and email address. So the first thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to create some kind of word processed document. Now we need to deliver a PDF document for our digital download. So we're going to place the information that we're going to be giving individuals inside of this Microsoft Word document. Now assuming that part of our content is going to be text and the other is going to be some kind of link. Let's assume that what we're going to do is we're going to give individuals part of the product in written form and part of the product in video form. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to create some links for download and to have them inside of this PDF. That means then that whatever videos that we've created, we're either going to deliver them all as one file or we're going to deliver them as individual files. So let's assume that what we're going to do is deliver our videos as downloadable, and we're going to deliver them all in one zip file. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to zip up our videos. So we're going to capture all of the videos, and we're going to keep the control button, and we're going to highlight all of the videos, and we're going to touch each one. And what we're going to do is we're going to then send them to a compressed file. We're going to send these files to a zip file. And once we have all the videos in a zip file, we're going to need to deliver them to a place where they can be downloaded. Now, if you're looking to deliver the videos someplace free of charge, what you can do is you can place the videos in a folder inside of your Google Drive. And what we're going to do is we're going to upload our videos to this area. And so we're going to drag and drop our folders into Google Drive. They'll then upload to the drive, and then they'll be ready in order for us to distribute. What we can do then is to right-click the file. What we can then get is a shareable link. Once we have that shareable link, what we want to do is we want to make it so that only the people that have the link can open it. We're then going to copy that link. We're then going to head back to our document. We're then going to create a link inside of the document for our videos. What we're then going to do is we're going to create a hyperlink. We'll right-click. We'll then go to link. We'll then place our link inside of this area. We'll then hit OK. And then our link will then be clickable and part of our document. Now, it's quite possible that you may not want to deliver a set of files for your customer to download. What you can also do is to give your customers a video that they can stream and watch from their personal computer or from their mobile device. You can do that from a Vimeo.com account. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for one, or you can log into your existing account. So what you're going to do is you're going to upload your video. Your video will then start the upload and the processing system. Now what we're going to do with this video while it's processing is we're going to make this a people with a password video. And so what we're going to do is we're going to place this video and we're going to write in a password. We're going to make it so that the video cannot be embedded. We're going to make it so that no one can comment on the video. We're going to make it so that no one can add it to their collections. And what we're going to do now is we're then going to click Save. Now obviously the video is being processed, but we're still going to be able then to copy the video link. Once the link is copied to the clipboard, we're then going to go back to our Word document and we're going to create another link for this video. And so what we'll do is we'll highlight it, we'll right-click it, we'll then go to the link, we'll then place that link inside of this dialog box. We'll then click OK. Now when the individual gets to the video, they're going to see this page. And what they're going to have to do is they're going to have to put in the password that you give them. When they click the Submit button, they'll then have access to the video. And you will basically then have your digital product. What you now need to do is you need to save this as a PDF. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the File area. We're then going to click Save As. And instead of saving this as a Word document, we're going to save this as a PDF. What we're then going to do is we're then going to click Save. We'll then have our PDF. You'll notice then that if we hover over these links, that they are going to be clickable, and they're going to be clickable to the place where we place the document or the video. So we're now going to edit our shop, and we're now going to add in our new item. That means then now that we're going to add a listing. We're then going to add in a photo or photos of the item. So our product now has a thumbnail. Now obviously you would use more variations for your product, but for the sake of this video and for the sake of time, we're just going to upload one image to this listing. We're then going to give all of the listing details for this digital product. We're then going to fill in the About section. We're then going to place it inside of its right category. We're then going to choose a primary color and a secondary color. We're going to write in our description. Now for the sake of this video, we're not going to write in a long description. We're going to write a short one. Assuming that we don't have any production partners, we're going to skip this part. The section area is going to be this one. And then we're going to write in tags for this product. We're going to give this a price, and we're going to give this a quantity. They're going to give this a stock keeping unit. And for the sake of this video, we're not going to do any variations. This is going to be a giveaway product. Now, one thing we do need to do is we need to specify that this is going to be a digital product. So we're going to go back and make sure that you've ticked this. And then our inventory pricing section will be complete. We'll then upload our digital file. Now, one of the things that you can do with a digital product inside of your Etsy account is you can add up to 5 files. So we could have really created one PDF for text, one entire PDF for video, and then another PDF for whatever other purpose we're going to be using. However, now for the sake of simplicity, we placed everything in one PDF for this product. So we now have our product available on Etsy, where they're going to click Publish. Okay, the listing fee will then go to our bill. We'll then click Publish. So now our content is then available on Etsy. And we've now established that the price is going to be $17. And what we're now ready to do is take on the next process, where we're going to create an opt-in opportunity for individuals to get something that is currently selling in our Etsy store for a specific price. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.